Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kelsey. If you're new here, thank you so much for clicking on my video. Today is a special day because I am finally getting vaccinated. I have been waiting months for this day. Like, I am so excited. I've watched so many other people go and get their little vaccination cards and get the vaccine. Now it's my turn and I can't wait. I've just been like the FOMO, like the fear of missing out, like constantly. But it's finally my turn, so that is what we're gonna do today. My dad is going to take me. We have a couple other errands to run on either our way there or afterwards. I'm not sure what our schedule is looking like right now. And we're also gonna go out for dinner. We're going to a place called Portillo's, which is like super famous, I guess, in Chicago, but they opened one by our house and I've been looking forward to going there. He's already had it before. I haven't had it yet, so I'm super excited to go there. But that is the agenda for today. I've chosen a nice shirt that I can quickly slide up so I can stick it right in there. I'm just excited and that's what we're gonna do today. Let's go. Okay, so we're home now. It is quite a few hours later. I'm not sure what footage I got. I don't think I talked in anything. I know I did not want to be like, hey, can I record me getting the vaccine? Like, I'm not that person. If I could have done it sneakily, but like the guy just like stabbed it in me. But yeah, it's been a few hours later. I feel great. As great as you can feel. I mean, I'm tired, but like I'm always tired, and like my arm definitely hurts, like it's sore. The lady was like, you should be moving your arm right now, like you have to sit there for 15 minutes, and the lady was like, you should be moving your arm right now, you'll thank me later. And I didn't listen probably as much as I should have, and I'm not thanking her because I didn't listen. But I just put the sweater back on after I got it and I haven't even like looked at it, so let's check it out. He gave me the shot and he's like, oh, you're not a bleeder. So I don't even know. Wait, he put a bandage on, like, where is it? What? What happened? So I'm confused. He gave me the shot, slapped a bandage on there. I stuck my jacket back on, walked out. Me and my dad did a bunch of other things. Now there's no bandage. I have no clue where do they do it up higher? It feels like they would have done it like right around here. There's no bandage. I wanted to save my band-aid. I don't know. I wanted to save my band-aid to remember my vaccine. I'm just kidding. I didn't want to do that. But I'm very confused. Did it just fall right off? Good thing. Did I say he said I wasn't a bleeder? What the frick happened, man? Apparently I didn't get a band-aid. He just slapped nothing on me. Maybe that's why he said I wasn't a bleeder. Because I didn't get a band-aid. Anyway, besides the point. I didn't get a band-aid, apparently. I didn't get a vaccine sticker, but I did get a vaccine card. And so I got the Pfizer vaccine, which was my top one that I wanted. I'm going back for my appointment in 3 weeks, so basically in 6 weeks I will be fully vaccinated, and that is super cool. when I was standing in line, I was like just feeling like so happy because I was so excited. I don't know, I was just really looking forward to this for a really long time. And if you want to get vaccinated, then get vaccinated. And if you don't want to get vaccinated, then I don't know what to tell you. But yeah, so far so good. Now me and my mom are going to pot some succulents. I know in a few videos ago I showed some little potters that I got from Dollar Tree, or planters, potters. I showed some little planters I got from Dollar Tree that are little figurines, little animals, and they're super cute. And my mom went to the store and bought us some succulents to put in them. So we are going to pot those, and I'm super looking forward to it. So I'll show you that right now. Alright, so it is much later. We potted the succulents. They turned out so cute. I finished all of my work today. Arm is still sore, but I'm ready for bed. But I wanted to end the video. I don't know how long this video is. I think it's super short. So thank you so much for watching my experience. Definitely just a sore arm today. It's been way over like 8 hours. I think we're up to like 10 now. I got the vaccine around like 2 and it's like 1 in the morning now. So I feel like if there were side effects, they would have already happened. I don't know. Plus I feel like the side effects happen typically with like your second dose and if you've like already had COVID. So I don't know. But I doubt. I'm not gonna have side effects. I'm stronger than side effects. I'm just kidding. But yeah, so I just wanted to vlog this experience because I wanted to remember it, because I feel like it was a huge part of 2021 for me and I want to look back on it. That's cool. But if you enjoyed this short little vlog, then make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit the subscribe button if you're not subscribed, and definitely leave me a comment down below. Have a super great day. Bye bye.